Sino nakakamiss sa bread? Sing tayo, guys. You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew are all the years I had with you, and I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. You taught me how to love. What it's all, what it's all. You never said too much, but still you showed the way. And I knew from watching you, nobody else could ever know the part of me I can't let go. And I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know, you're loving them so, but taking them all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and they don't hear the words you long to say. And I would give anything I own. Give up my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again, just to touch you once again. Ay, iba. Akala ko bread lahat. Iba pala. When the night has come and the day is gone, I'm always thinking of you. You are in the air, you are everywhere. In everything I do, if I could keep this moment of time, if I could make it forever mine, baby, I'm lost in your love from heaven above. You came to bring me up. With you I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day. When I walk alone with an empty home, I can't stop thinking of you. Do you feel the pain? Could it be the same? Are you missing it too? I see your face when I close my eyes. I see a glimpse of your own paradise. You came from heaven above. I'm lost in your love. Free as the wind, you give me wings to fly. With you I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day. My girl, I feel that I could stay in love forever and a day. Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. Well, you're a hard one. I know that you got your reasons. There's things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you draw the queen of diamonds, boy? She'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. Freedom, oh freedom, well that's just people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone. Don't you forget cold in the winter time. The sky won't snow and the sun won't shine. It's hard to tell the nighttime from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows. Ain't funny how the feelings go away. Hey, desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences and open the gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. Let somebody love you. You better let somebody love you before it's too late. Hey, there's a look in your eyes, must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream, nothing more so it seemed. But my love didn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I. Then could I love you more, so much stronger than before? Why does it seem like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration when just one smile you take my breath away. So hold me close and say you'll stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Every little smile, a special smile, twinkle in your eye in a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer, you and I.
Customization transformed her beauty brand from ordinary to extraordinary, lighting up the future.
Work from home is great. At then, dumating yung electric bill. Real talk. Kapag work from home,
Summer's ended and without a trace, time goes by while you remain. Funny how I thought I'd walk on through with my heart and want. Why do I still cry for you? Dying to get close to you. Oh baby, why do I still fear to face the ghost of you? How I tried to get you off my mind, but you return all the time. I believe I could just let you go, like the fool I am. Baby, why do I still cry for you? Dying to get close to you. Oh baby, why do I still fear to face the ghost of you? I've been trying to release you, to get my feet back on the ground. Still I need my hope to hold on to. Even if I know I should back away, it's just a part of me that I can't erase. Baby, why do I still cry for you? Dying to get close to you. Oh baby, why do I still fear to face the ghost of you? And the way I try, I'm still reminded. Anywhere I go, I keep colliding with. I've given up, I just can't fight it. Of you. Every time I look away, I see the ghost of you.
Fort lending, fast cash flow.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces, and talk about the places they have been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'd meet again and have a need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had back when they were too young to know what love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time has improved the flame. It's even brighter than it did before. They got another chance, and if they take it, maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they cried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end.
Magpa-brush kayo ate?
Bakit hindi mo ginawa yung sa'yo?
Done?
Wala. Result on kayo biglang bukas. Relax.
Don't do your
And for I saved the best for last. My daughter will sing.
No!
No, just kidding. Oh, mabrush ka na? Okay.